Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be showing you a quick summer makeup routine for you all. Now this is something that you can even wear every day, or people out there who go to the office or the colleges, believe me, it is going to do the job for you. So without any further ado, we are quickly going to be diving in, and it is not going to be requiring more than 5 products. So one is going to be for the lips, proper base, and also a bit for the eyes. That is just going to be mascara. So yes, I will be starting out with the base first of all. Guys, first thing in the summer is going to be applying the sunscreen. It's essential, guys, so make sure that you apply it every day. Does not matter if you're staying in the sun or if you're staying inside, make sure that you do not forget the sunscreen. So I usually go for SPF 50, but you can even work with SPF 30, and even if you're like directly in the sun throughout the day, make sure that you reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours. So I also try to go for something which is hydrating, does not leave the white cast, and very lightweight. So yes, we are done here. We are going to be moving on to the next step. I'll let it absorb, and also in summers I usually do not need a face moisturizer, but if your skin is dry, make sure that you use a face moisturizer. After that, we are going to be following it up with a primer. Now earlier I wasn't using any primer before doing my makeup or even my everyday makeup, but recently I got my hands on this 2% niacinamide pore minimizing primer by Dermaco. So what it does, it helps in blurring the appearance of fine lines and also the open pores on your skin. We all have textured skin, so let's accept the fact there is gonna be a bit of texture, but if you apply this and then go for the other things on your base, it is gonna make your skin look super beautiful. Matte finish it is gonna give you, and also helps in blurring out any kind of pores. It also has niacinamide, guys, so not only it has makeup properties, it also has skincare properties. It helps in blurring out the pores, yes. It also helps in minimizing them, which I absolutely love about this product. So I'm going to just take a bit and apply it all over my face.
So guys, if you use my code Ritu 2023, you're gonna get extra 20% off on their official website. Also, the products are completely fragrance free.
So it quickly gets absorbed in your skin and gives you this beautiful matte finish. And I love, guys, that it also has properties, your skincare properties, not going to be harmful for the skin. So you're going to have a bit of makeup with the skincare properties. What else do we need when we know that it is not going to be harming the skin at all? So yeah, now we are going to be moving on to the BB cream.
The Dermaco has empowered more than 10,000 students this year with their Young Scientists initiative. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi.
Now guys, the BB cream that I have here is gonna be 2% niacinamide hydrating BB cream. This is again by Dermaco. Why I love this one is, guys, because it even has SPF 30, which is gonna again protect your skin from harmful sun rays. It gives you a universal tint, and again it also has skincare properties because it has niacinamide, which helps in fading away the dark spots and the pigmentation that you have on the face. It is going to be perfect for your Indian skin tone. It is a universal, very sheer tint. It gives you a beautiful matte finish, guys, which stays on your skin for good 6 to 7 hours. And with the BB cream, guys, I like to go with my fingers, like blending with the fingers, because I believe that when your fingers is melting the product, it gives you like more natural finish. So I'll just go ahead with this.
And guys, every time you buy from Dermaco, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. They have pledged to help more than 10,000 students across the year. Now we are going to be moving on to the last step, and that is going to be applying a sheer lipstick. Here I have taken a lipstick which has a very mild coverage, so I'm going to be applying it all on my lips. And what I do is, the lipstick that I go on my lips, I also apply it on my cheeks. So you can dab a bit on the cheeks like that, or you can just take the bullet lipstick and try applying it on the cheeks and then blending it out with your fingers. This way it is going to give you more natural look, and I love that flush of the colors that the cheek has. After that, apply a bit of mascara. Guys, you are going to be done. The look is done, guys.
And voila, we are done with the makeup look. It is not gonna take beyond 2 minutes, guys, and I absolutely loved the way this look turned out to be. I really love the lip color, guys, because it has a very sheer coverage and it is moisturizing in nature. So what you can do is, even after applying, you can apply a bit of more lipstick on the lips and just take it from here and then dab it on the cheeks. Make sure that you check out Dermaco's products, especially these two, guys. Believe me, give it a try. You're not gonna be disappointed. I'm swearing on these ones in the summer season. And in summers, we do not want to wear a makeup which weighs the skin down and which is too much. So this is going to be perfect for your everyday wear. So yes, guys, I will see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.